Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics. Your laptop is online and you have a browser open. Once done, navigate straight to Mail. Google, or click the Gmail icon. Enter your full Gmail address and press Next. This tells Google which account to load. Make sure you know whether you use two-step verification so you can prepare your phone or backup code. Starting here speeds the rest of the process and avoids interruptions from missing credentials. You now enter your password, and if prompted, complete the chosen two-step verification method. This is why having your phone or authenticator ready matters. Once authenticated, Google may ask to save your sign-in or enable sync. Decide based on whether this is a personal laptop. Make sure sync settings include contacts and calendar if you want those on this device. These choices control how your data syncs and how seamless future access will be, so select intentionally. You finish by confirming the inbox loads and sending a quick test email to yourself. This validates sending and receiving. Then make any account tweaks, set a signature, notification preferences, and sync frequency. These help Gmail behave the way you expect. If something goes wrong, try the common fix. Check network connectivity, verify your password, and clear the browser cache or try an incognito window. If two-step blocks you, use a backup code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.